Hey content creators, welcome back to Ideaplex. Today we're diving into the world of animation, but with a twist. We're not talking about spending hours painstakingly drawing frame by frame. No, Sai. Today we're exploring the magic of text to animation with a website called GetCartwheel.com. Get Cartwheel is a game changer for anyone who wants to breathe life into their characters without needing a degree in animation. Imagine this, you've got a killer idea for a character animation, a funny skit for your YouTube channel, or maybe even a product explainer video. But the thought of drawing it all yourself makes you want to crawl under a blanket and binge cartoons instead. But fear not, my fellow content creators, because GetCartwheel.com is here to be your animation superhero. So how exactly does Get Cartwheel work? It's actually pretty darn cool. You simply type in what you want your character to do, walk, jump, wave, you name it. Get Cartwheel can translate it into smooth, natural looking animation. Plus the animations are compatible with a bunch of popular programs like Blender and Unity, so you can easily integrate them into your existing workflow. But let me tell you, the results are seriously impressive. You can choose from a variety of pre-made characters or even upload your own. Plus, Get Cartwheel gives you some control over the animation, so you can tweak things like speed and camera angles. Here's what I found most exciting. Imagine you're brainstorming a new video concept and you just want to get a rough animation of your scene down. Get Cartwheel lets you do that quickly and easily without getting bogged down in the technical details. It sparks ideas and gets the creative juices flowing. Another awesome feature is the ability to edit animations. You're not just stuck with what the AI generates, you can tweak and customize to fit your vision. This makes Cartwheel perfect for a range of uses, from video games and advertisements to social media content and beyond. The text to animation capability. This feature allows you to simply describe your scene or character's actions in plain text, and Cartwheel does the rest. It's almost like magic. Your words are instantly transformed into dynamic animations. But who exactly is Get Cartwheel for? Well, if you're a content creator who's short on time or artistic skills, this is a lifesaver. It's perfect for YouTubers, social media managers, or even educators who want to add a touch of animation to their presentations. Plus, it's a fantastic tool for learning the basics of animation itself. Look, I know animation can seem intimidating, but GetCartwheel.com breaks down that barrier. It's like having a pocket-sized animation studio at your fingertips. If you're a professional animator with years of experience, Get Cartwheel might not be your cup of tea. Now, a quick personal note, I've been exploring Cartwheel and I'm genuinely impressed with how it simplifies the animation process. The ease of creating and editing animations is a breath of fresh air. It's like having a creative partner who's always on the same page as you. Now, here's where things get interesting. As someone who's dabbled in both animation and content creation, I can tell you that Cartwheel fills a huge gap in the market. The ability to quickly generate animations without a steep learning curve or hefty budget is a game changer. I can see this being a massive asset for indie game developers, small business owners, and even educators who want to create engaging content without spending a fortune. Imagine creating an animated explainer video for your product or an engaging social media post in minutes. Cartwheel makes that possible. Get Cartwheel gives you unparalleled control over your animations. Tweak and adjust every angle to perfection. Whether you're aiming for a dramatic shot or a subtle movement, you have the power to customize your animations down to the smallest detail. Experiment with different camera angles, character poses, and movement speeds to bring your vision to life. The possibilities are endless. Get Cartwheel puts you in the director's chair. Fine-tune every aspect of your animation to match your exact vision. Adjust camera angles for dramatic impact, manipulate character poses for expressive storytelling, and experiment with different movement styles to create unique and captivating scenes. With unprecedented control over your animations, you can bring your characters to life in ways you never thought possible. Whether you're a seasoned animator or just starting out, Get Cartwheel empowers you to create truly exceptional visual content. From subtle expressions to dramatic stances, you have the power to shape your character's every move, fine tune every detail of your character's bodies from head to toe, create expressive poses that convey emotions. Get Cartwheel offers a versatile range of animation styles to suit any project, from realistic and cinematic to cartoony and playful. Get Cartwheel is designed to fit seamlessly into your existing workflow. Import and export your animations in various popular formats, making it easy to incorporate them into your video editing software, game engines, or other creative projects. Take advantage of powerful integrations with industry standard tools to streamline your production process and maximize your creativity. The exciting news is that Cartwheel is currently in beta testing. This means it's a work in progress, but it also offers an exclusive opportunity for you to be among the first to experience its groundbreaking features. To join the waitlist and increase your chances of getting early access, simply be one of the pioneers in transforming text into stunning animations. Of course, no tool is without its limitations. While Cartwheel is incredibly powerful, it's still evolving. Some advanced users might find the customization options a bit limited compared to traditional animation software. But for the majority of users, especially those just getting started, it's more than enough. Overall, GetCartwheel.com is pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI and animation. It's making animation accessible to everyone, regardless of their background or budget. If you're looking to bring your ideas to life in a fast, easy, and creative way, I highly recommend giving it a try. Alright, Ideaplex fam, that's it for today's review. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Ideaplex for more content like this. We've got tons of exciting reviews and tutorials coming your way, so stay tuned. Until next time, keep creating and keep imagining.